Log into the school management portal using your phone number and password. Access the Student section in the Users module to make sure that the students have their images uploaded and are good enough for the ID card. If they are not good enough, kindly upload new ones or ask the parent to upload from the school app. Go to the Student ID Cards module, select the batch or gender or year of the students for whom you wish to generate the ID card, and hit Filter to see the list of students. Select students individually or select all from the top and hit the Generate ID Card button. This will download a PDF file to your computer. Open the PDF and verify the details before printing it.